Welcome to the informative Huawei Nova 10, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first we should open the screen recorder settings. To do that, we should launch the notification panel shortcuts and somewhere find here screen recorder icon. If you have not this icon here, you should click to edit switches, and right here somewhere you'll find in this down section the screen recorder icon. Hold the icon and drag it to the up section, tap here to done, and now we can see screen recorder icon here. Hold for a while this icon, and after that you'll use your screen recording off. So just once again hold it, and if you wanna use the microphone in your screen recordings, you should click here on the microphone icon, and when the icon will in blue color, so this means that you just use the microphone to command something. If you wanna just record only the mute videos, you should click on this microphone once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.